Welcome to this 10-minute walk on a mini trampoline. If you're new to rebounding, this is the perfect place to start. Let's go ahead and warm up right now. All right, so we're going to start off here with a gentle house bounce. And a house bounce is flat feet pushing down into the mat, slight bend in our knees, our core is tight and engaged, our chest is proud, our shoulders are back down and away from our ears, and our gaze is forward. So that is your house bounce stance. You can have your hands by your side or on your waist. Gonna get in some nice, gentle, kind movement walking today. So let's step touch, side to side. If you are not bouncing today, you are simply stepping side to side here. Choice is yours. I don't know your body, only you know your body. If this is something that you've been doing for a while for rebounding with me, then you're probably able to do this side to side step touch with the bounce. Perhaps you have your stability bar handy and you're holding on to that. Return to the center and let's march in place. So in this march in place, our feet are alternating, pushing down into the mat and allowing the mat to rebound our foot back up as if we're making a step, an actual step. So from the side, I'm actually lifting up this leg. March, 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 march. Very basic moves today, but 100% effective. Heel digs to the front. Any deposit that you make into your fitness wellness tank is a deposit. Don't ever let anyone minimize that deposit. Breathe. Nice work. Rebounding's gentle on the joints. It helps with digestion, proprioception, and it's fun. And march it out here. Let's get the upper body going here. Some upper body active movement. Breathe. You should be able to have a conversation with me. If you're having a hard time, please take it back into a house bounce and hold on to your stability bar. I highly recommend a stability bar, especially for beginners and especially for my senior friends. So tap out here to the side. Get the arms going if you're not holding on to your stability bar. If you're not bouncing with me today, you're here. There's always a way to modify. If you're unsure, please ask. We are already on round 6. Well done. And march it out. Again, if you're not bouncing with me, you're here. You are on an unsteady surface and you still are getting the benefits of being on an unsteady surface, with or without the mini bounce here in between. Very nice. So let's do the heel digs off to the side. And you can incorporate perhaps some faux bicep curls. And I'm saying faux because we're not actually holding on to any dumbbells. We're mimicking the move. Heel digs off to the side with a bicep curl. And march it out. I hope you can hear me okay. This is Kissimmee, Orlando area, and it's work day, and it's first thing in the morning, and there's a load of traffic. So hopefully you can hear me all right. Round 9, march it out. Getting in some beautiful steps in today. We are going to go to some tap back. So just off to the side here, I'm showing that we're tapping our toe to the back. Tapping back. So here we're practically being on one foot here. We have all our weight transferred onto one foot while we're making the tap back here. So we're challenging. This is an a very challenging move. Coordinating the upper body, tapping back. You're holding onto your stability bar, you're here, or no bounce, you're here. So there's always a way to modify. Home base, march it out. And now a plane's going overhead. Lots happening in this area. Breathe, don't hold your breath. Round 11, over halfway done. I'm so proud of you. So give me a front toe tap and upper body active field goal arms. So I call these field goal arms because it looks like a field goal, right? Bring them in, return. If this is too complicated for you, do the taps by themselves. Practice a bit of both. If you're holding on to a stability bar, do half on one side, half on the other. And march it out, home base. How'd you do? Was it good? Did you get it? You will get it. Keep coming back to this workout and practicing it over and over again, and you will get it. We're gonna go into a V step now. So slightly moving back on our rebounder mat. We're gonna go up to the top of the V and back to the bottom of the V narrow. So wide to narrow. Front step, back. Step up, back. Wide stance, narrow. Wide, narrow. So picture a V, and the V is on your mat. You're just mimicking a V step. You're doing the step, you're mimicking the letter. So let's keep this one up, but let's switch our lead leg. So our lead leg is simply that. It's the leg that we led the movement with. So we were on the one side, now we're balancing things out, and on the other side, other lead leg. Round 15, well done. 5 more moves. You can do it. And return here. Home base, march in place. Core in tight, don't forget about those shoulders. Sometimes we have a tendency of shrugging our shoulders, we get tense. Relax the shoulders back and down away from your ears. Breathe it out. March it out. So we did a V step, now we're doing a wide stance box step. Wide stance to the back, up, up, back, back, up, up, back, back. Remember what lead leg you're on? We're gonna switch that out. Please let me know in the description box below what your step count is. I don't have my step counter on, so I'm relying on you to give me a gauge and let me know what rebounder you're on and where you're rebounding with me from. So, ready to switch out that lead leg? Switch it out. You are almost done. Upper active body arms here, pumping, assisting in that movement. Anytime the arms are involved, we have a greater calorie burn, so why not? Up, up, back, back. Wide stance, box step. 3, 2, 1, home base, march it out. Round 19. Very good, very, very nice. It is hot, but I am enjoying the sun. Someone reached out to us from our hometown in Ontario and said that it was snowing the other day. So I'm very grateful to be here, moving my body with you. And we're gonna go into a health bounce to close this workout out. Health bounce here, round 20, last 30 seconds. This counts, this matters, you can do it. Congratulations on making your fitness deposit into your wellness tank today. rebounder workout. Very effective. Full body workout. And done. If you need a longer cool down and stretch, and I recommend that you do that, here is one for you. I will link that in the description box below. Please go ahead and do that. Please also like, share, comment, and subscribe. Those are all free things that you can do that help my channel and our community get picked up by the algorithm so more people can find us and do free workouts at home as well. So thank you so much for doing your part in that department, and I look forward to seeing you in the next workout. Bye for now.